Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all will be fine. As we are on our unit number 8, that is the old man and the tiger. In our previous lesson we have done the reading of first half unit. Today we will do the reading of the rest of the unit. So here in this unit we read the story about an old man and a tiger. The old man was a woodcutter. He went to the forest and he cut the wood. There was a tiger. He came and he helped the old man. One day they were free from their work and the tiger rested his head in the lap of the old man. And then he started asking few of the questions from the old man. He asked, am I handsome or am I strong? Am I full of energy? The old man replied, yes, you are. Then the old man said, you are very smelly. These words hurt the tiger. What happened next? Now let's read. The tiger immediately started purring. He got up and brought the eggs. The tiger was very hurt from the words of the old man. His words were very harsh, so he got up and brought the eggs. Come, take this eggs, my friend. Then he asked the old man to come and take the eggs. Strike me on the back, said the tiger. Then the tiger said the old man to strike me, to hit me with this eggs on my back. Oh no, said the old man. This old man said, no, I can't hurt you with this eggs. I can't possibly hurt you, but I wish it, said the tiger. But the tiger said that I want from you to hurt me. And he began to growl and he started making the loud sounds. The old man did not know what to do, so he shrugged his shoulders. Shrug means to move your shoulders to show that you don't know. So the old man didn't knew what to do, so he shrugged his shoulders, lifted the eggs, he took the eggs and then he brought it down on the tiger's back. And then he hit the tiger's back with the eggs. A wound about 2 fingers deep opened near the tiger's back and the blood spurted out. Spurted means gushed out or came out with a speed. It made the tiger's coat red and sticky. The tiger's coat, here you can see, it's the tiger's coat and sticky with blood. The tiger went off into the forest and the old man took his wood to the market. The next day the old man went about his work. The tiger came and watched him from a distance but said nothing. The old man began to feel frightened. Now the old man became very frightened that the tiger look at him, but the tiger don't come to the old man and the tiger says nothing to the old man. Time went by and then one day the tiger immediately sprang out from behind a bush towards the old man. One day the tiger jumped suddenly from behind the bush towards the old man. He said, look at my back. Old man, what can you see now? The tiger said, the old man, look at my back. Is there anything on my back? The old man looked carefully but he couldn't find the X wound. The old man looked very carefully, but there was no wound of X now here. It is healed, he exclaimed. He surprisingly cried out that there is no wound. It is healed, there is no mark there. Yes, replied the tiger. Then the tiger said, yes, there is no mark of wound now. The wound has healed, but your harsh words have stayed in my heart. They can never be healed. It will always remember what you said about my stinking skin. You must now leave the forest or I shall eat up you. Then the tiger said that the wound has healed, but your harsh words have not healed. So you may leave the forest now, otherwise I will eat you. And with that he gave an emperor's roar. Emperor's means a huge or large roar. The old man left the forest and from that day he feared all tigers. Other men too are now afraid of tigers. It is good to remember that knives and axes flash like day. Harsh words, however, always stay. The wounds that are made from knives and axes comes to our mind off and on, but the harsh words we can't forget. So we must remember this. Now we will discuss or we will read the difficult words and their meanings. Here our first word is bundle. Bundle means a group of things that you tie or wrap together. Here in this lesson we have talked about the bundle of sticks. A bundle of sticks means a group of things that you tie or wrap together. For your more clear understanding, I have written this on the notebook like this. Bundle, a group of things that you tie together. Our next word is fault. Fault means a failure or a failing or weakness in one's character. So you can write any of the meaning among these two. I have written of fault, a failure. Here our next word is graces. Graces means polite or good or decent behavior and beauty. You can choose any meaning among these. In my notebook, I have written the meaning of graces, decent behavior. You can choose anyone. Here our next word is harsh. Harsh means not kind or cruel. You can choose any one of the meaning among these two. Here I have the meaning of harsh, cruel. Here next word is heal. Heal means to become well again. So on your notebook you will write it like heal means to become well again. Now our next word is shrug. Shrug means to move your shoulders to show that you do not know or are not sure. We have read in the story about that the old man shrugged. So he shrugged his shoulders to show that he doesn't know. So you will write the meaning of shrug like this on your notebook. To move your shoulders to show that you do not know. Our next word is spurt. Spurt means to cause a liquid or gas to gush out with force. When a liquid or a gas comes out from anything with force, we call it spurt. So on your notebook you will write the meaning of spurt like to cause a liquid to gush out with force. I hope so that today's lecture is clear to all of you. All of you will do the reading of the next half unit and will learn these words meaning and will write these words meaning on your notebook. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.